Ayan guys, oh. Iba-ibang kulay ng fountain light. Ayan guys, oh. Iba-iba kulay. Ayan, may blue, may yellow, may purple, may pink. See, we have green. Ayan. Fountain light. Ayan guys. Ayan o. Ang sakit lang sa mata. Very pain to the eyes. Oh. Ayan guys. Oh. Ayan. Nag-i-enjoy yung mga kids. Ayan. No more. Stop siya. Ayan. Ay! Eh, Saga, you don't have a clothes, ha? Nasa gitna kami ni Saga. Ayan. Okay guys, thank you for watching.